This is Amy Glesius, one of the Ohio employment attorneys at Bolek Besser Glesius. One of the questions employees are asking us during the COVID-19 outbreak is, can I take a leave if a family member gets sick with coronavirus? So today I want to talk about a couple of options for employees to protect their jobs. The first place to look is the Families First Coronavirus Response Act. This is the new law Congress passed that went into effect on April 1st. One of the things it does is give covered employees the right to take up to 80 hours of paid leave, if they need it, to care for a family member who's been diagnosed with the virus, or who's under a quarantine order, or who has symptoms and is seeking a diagnosis. For the employees who are covered, this is a huge safety net. It means you can't be fired if you need to miss work to care for a family member during the coronavirus pandemic. But there are several big loopholes in the Families First Act. Congress excluded both first responders and healthcare workers from protection. They also excluded employers with more than 500 employees. And here in Ohio, more than half the workforce works for employers bigger than that. So unfortunately, most Ohio employees are actually not protected by the Act. So what are all these employees supposed to do? If you need to miss work because a family member actually has the virus, not just under quarantine, there may be some protection under the Family and Medical Leave Act. Under this law, if you've been employed for more than a year and your employer has at least 50 employees within 75 miles, you can take unpaid but job-protected leave to care for a family member with a serious health condition. Now normally, the flu wouldn't qualify as a serious health condition, but this isn't a normal flu. If your loved one is hospitalized with the coronavirus, that will qualify for FMLA protection. If your loved one is sick but not hospitalized, the law isn't clear, and coverage may depend on how many times a family member needs to see a healthcare provider. No matter what, the best thing that you can do to protect your rights at work is to talk to an experienced employment lawyer before it's too late. The employment attorneys at Bolek Besser Glesius are here to help answer your questions. Call us today for a free consultation at 216-464-3004. You can also click subscribe to stay up to date on future videos on employee rights during the coronavirus epidemic. Thanks for stopping by, and be well.